I got an email from that company. Hello, Suspendas. We have taken your feedback into consideration and have discussed it with the owner of the Block Casino. And I'm not saying the name of the casino. Unfortunately, we are unable to meet your proposed offer of $100,000. However, we would like to make a revised proposal of $25,000 for a single stream. And as we've noted, because you have achieved 1,000 live views during your last stream. That'll bring a tear to my face, because that's a shit ton of money, bro. $25,000 for one stream. Holy shit. Like, are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me?